Hello viewers, welcome back to Tradables. I think you all must have watched my yesterday's video, and in yesterday's video I had explained how the market momentum was. So yesterday the market was in a huge rise, and all the indices like Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and IT Nifty were all in uptrend, in a bullish momentum. But overall, if you see in today's market analysis, you can see that today market is in a neutral condition, because Nifty 50 is in neutral, Nifty Bank Nifty is in downtrend, it's indicating downtrend, and Nifty IT is indicating neutral. So as I said, if it is indicating neutral, that means that please don't take any action, either don't take any action of a call or a put. And if it is in a downtrend, then for options traders you can take puts. But overall I can say that today, since the market is like neutral, it's better just stay in neutral and do not take any action. And even if you look into the candlestick view, you can see that how the market has been fluctuating. So there was the market started today at 24,196, and if you see, like, there was a huge bearish candle formation. And today the market had followed the analysis GAN analysis, because it had been trading somewhere in minus 90, minus 45 and minus 90. So 0 degree to minus 45 and minus 90, which means that it's following GAN analysis. And if it is going to minus 45 and minus 90, it means that there's a 100% possibility of the candles formation to be in a bearish momentum. And that's what you can see directly, the proof what you can see here in this particular candlestick view. So if you see here the candlestick view, you can see here that there has been a fluctuation in the in the momentum. Like, there was a bearish candle which is formed for 1 hour, again for 1 hour there was a bullish formation, again there was a bearish formation, then again there was a bullish. So it is like kind of fluctuating, and that is the reason you can see here today Nifty 50 is in neutral condition. And in case if it reaches 61.8, in case if it closes at 61.8, it means that it's going to follow the Fibonacci retracement, and 61.8 as per Fibonacci retracement is a golden ratio. So if it touches this particular golden ratio, it means that the candle which will be forming will be a bullish candle. So these are all one kind of indications. And as we saw yesterday, in the expert view, we have seen a complete uptrend in the short term, mid term and long term on Jan 2nd. So you can see here the up arrow keys, which is indicating on Jan 2nd to be a complete huge raise. And but overall, if you see here in Jan 3rd, that is today, it is like completely all the short term, mid term and long term, all the three are in neutral. So when it is in neutral, it's clearly indicating, Tradables application is clearly indicating for the viewers, whoever is doing trading, is better not to take any action, and just stay calm and be in neutral condition. Do not take action of buy or sell. And yesterday itself we saw that this particular value has been reached the all-time high. So yesterday it has reached almost to 24,175, and it has also crossed 24,200. But today the market has a little, it has little fallen down, and it has come to around 24,044. Right now it is trending at 24,044. But overall, if you see, still we are in a kind of a safer zone only, because as per the OI change, you can see here that 24,000 24,000 is a strong is a support point here. Even if the market comes and touches at 24,000, it will take a support here, and it will restrain here. Or there are possibilities that the market can either move a little upward, or it can just remain here, and it can sustain here. So this is one kind of an analysis which you can check. And apart from that, as I said earlier, people who are doing trading, so people who are doing intraday trading, what would be the best particular section where you can check which particular stock you can use for your trading, for intraday trading? So that, let me just show you a quick glance. So go to insights. So when you go to insights, here you can see the trend changing counters. So these are the positive, and you can see here the positive and negative counters. So positive counters are those which are having a positive trend today, and negative counters are those which are having a downtrend. So if you see here, for intraday traders, you can use this short term section, because if you see here, these are certain counters which are on Jan 2nd, it's showing a uptrend. So since it is showing an uptrend, so the intraday traders who will be doing in intraday trading, you can use these particular select these particular counters for your trading purpose, and those who want to sell can check the negative counters, and these are all the ones which are indicated in red and which are all in a downtrend, showing in downtrend, which means that you can take a call, you can do a sell over here. So this is for intraday traders and those who are doing investment. So as I said earlier, like we have a new feature which is trends in heat maps. So in heat maps, the sections which are all viewing in heat maps are basically for long-term investment purpose. And if you see here in trends, you can see here the major indices and ETFs and indices, and these are all the companies which will indicate like what is the current trend going on for that particular company. And you can also see the past historical record of how the trends have been fluctuating for the past dates. And whenever you see a trend, so when you need to take a decision of investment, which particular stock you want to invest, which would be the good stock. So how you can check that is basically you just go here and say, for example, let's take okay, let's take Bajaj Finance. So if you see Bajaj Finance, short term, mid term, and long term, you need to see all the three terms. And basis on these three terms, you can see here like on Jan 2nd, there was all the three terms have been a uptrend here. All the three is indicating uptrend. So when the trend is changing from neutral to positive trend, which means the uptrend, which means that you can select this particular counter for your investment purpose. And you can just blindly go and take this particular company and you can buy the stock over here. And one more thing which I would like to tell you is that, say for example, on Jan 2nd, this has been the trend has changed, and all the three is indicating an uptrend. And say suppose you didn't invest on that particular day on Jan 2nd, you didn't invest on this particular stock, and today when you check into this heat map, you see that this particular on Jan 3rd also it is showing an uptrend. But my suggestion would be that do not take a decision at that time. Only when there is a trend changing, when from a downtrend, and from downtrend it moves to neutral, and from neutral when it goes to the uptrend, it means that at that particular point you take a decision of buying that particular stock for your long term investment purpose. Okay, and in case if you see that, okay, like Bajaj Auto, if you see here today Jan 3rd and Jan 2nd, it is indicating uptrend, but the rest of the midterm and long term is indicating neutral. So please don't take any kind of a decision over here of buying that particular stock. Only when the stock is going on the uptrend for all the three terms, short term, midterm, long term, only then please take a decision of buying that stock for your investment purpose on that particular day. Okay, so this is for the long term investors. And as I showed you in insights, you can see which are the positive counters and negative counters, and basis on this also you can take your decisions of buying and selling. And this is basically for people who are doing trading. And these are these are the major things which I thought to explain you on this today's video. And apart from that, let's see in index movers which are the best contributors and positive contributors, and how many are the negative contributors. So if you look into the index movers, now first let's take a look of NSE++. So when you look into NSE++, you can see here there's a strong indication of all the all the major indices like Nifty 50 is showing neutral, Bank Nifty is showing a clear indication of bearish, IT Nifty showing a clear indication of neutral. So likewise, you can see Fin Nifty, Midcap, Select, and Reliance. Okay, and basis on this, if you look into the market outlook also, here it's giving a clear indication of how the market is today, performing today. And anybody who's logging into the application would best thing which you can check is that looking into this market outlook. Once you look into this market outlook, then thereafter you can check the other sections, other various sections like candlestick views, trader views and expert views, best fair values, and you can match it along with the current market price and how the data points are indicating, and what are the next values, what would be the next possible values, probable values for the market to change. And apart from that, you can check the trends, how the trends are moving today, whether the trend is an uptrend or a neutral or a downtrend. So whenever it is on an uptrend, please always take a call, and when it's neutral, please do not take any action, and when it's a downtrend, then you can take a decision of a selling. So these are the things. And if you look into the contributions, let's take a quick look into the contributions. So today, if you see Nifty 50, since it is a neutral, it's clearly indicating like almost out of 50 counters, 26 out of 50 are in negative, and 24 out of 50 are in positive contributions. So which is the major contributions, high contributor company is today? Reliance is on a positive contribution, highest positive contribution, and the next are few of ONGC, Tata Motors are on the positive contributions, and the one which you can see in the negative contributions is the major one is HDFC Bank, which is on a highest negative contributor today, and the next comes the ICICI Bank. So likewise, if you look into Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty you can see that there's an equal a combination of positive and negative contributions. And today, if you see here in Bank Nifty, is clearly indicating that the maximum negative contribution is HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. And this, because of this, is one of the major reason why Bank Nifty has today has took a great big fall. And in positive contribution, you can see that IndusInd Bank and PNB are few banks which are on a positive contribution. And let's take about IT Nifty. IT Nifty also is in neutral today. So since IT Nifty is in neutral today, when we're looking into the contributions, you can see here almost 9 out of 10 companies are in negative, and only one company is in positive contribution. Okay, so this way you can check your analysis, and you can use our Tradables application during your other market hours. And so this is the overall insights about highlights about the market updates today. So let's catch all on Monday with the new updates on how we can see how the market is going to change on Monday, whether it will be on uptrend or on a bullish momentum or on a bearish momentum, how the market is going to be on the next. So let's catch you all on Monday. Thank you.